Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a new product to your GoDaddy website store. First, log into your account. Once in, on the top right, click on your name. Then in here, go to your products section. Now, go to the website where you want to add a product. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, go to the store section. Then in here, you can go ahead to your products. Now, you'll have the option to add a new one. So just go and click on this Add Product button. Then now, you can go and add an image for it. You can go and upload one from your device. Then, go ahead and insert it. Now, add in a product name. Then, add a price for it. You can also go and add a category. Then, make sure that you toggle this Visible on My Store option. Once done, scroll down to the bottom. Here, you can add a description for your product. Then, you can go to Inventory and Options. Here, you can choose to track your inventory. Then also, you can go to Shipping and add in a shipping option. And once done, you can now go ahead and click on the Save button at the bottom of it. And there you have it. You now have a new product on your GoDaddy website store. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.